next method is Gauss Jordan method. What is Gauss Jordan method? Gauss Jordan method is it's similar but not equal. It's similar to Gauss elimination method, but here the purpose is we make this matrix into an identity matrix. So this is the original matrix, we change into identity matrix. Then if we have this identity matrix, we will have this new constanta, and then this new constant will be the solution of this simultaneous linear equation. So you change from this matrix into this matrix by using Gauss elimination, and then you will find the solution directly without doing substitution. In Gauss elimination, we change this matrix into triangular matrix. The diagonal matrix is a non-zero matrix, non-zero element, and then after you have the triangular matrix, you substitute, start from the third row, and then substitution the second row, substitution to the first row, then you will have the solution. But here you don't need to do substitution because you already change your matrix into identity matrix, so you will directly have the answer here: C1 accent, C2 accent, and C3 accent for the solution of x1, x2, and x3. How to change this? You have to do row operation like the previous example in Gauss elimination. So you have to change this into 1 and the other element becomes 0. So there is no upper triangular or lower triangular, you will have only identity matrix. This we call as identity matrix. So this is Gauss Jordan method, and then the next method is matrix inversion. What is matrix inversion? You already know about matrix inversion, I think, from your high school. Suppose my linear equation, I can write them. I will write the into a form like this: Ex equal to C, and then if we want to find the solution of the x, then we just find the inverse, and then we multiply with the inverse, then I will have the answer. So this is the inverse of A, we multiply with C, and then this inverse of A multiplied by A will become identity, but identity is just equal to 1, so I don't need to write anything here because this is 1. So I will directly have the answer from here, the inverse multiplied by C. So how to find the inverse matrix? You just do this augmented matrix, write this augmented matrix. In the other side you have the identity matrix, and in the left side you have the original matrix, like this. And then you do Gauss Jordan elimination. So you change this original matrix into identity matrix, then this identity matrix will be automatically changed into a coefficient, into coefficients, and this coefficient will be the inverse matrix. So what you have here is the inverse matrix. Then from this inverse matrix you just multiply with with the constant c1, c2, and c3, then you will have x1, x2, and x3, your solution. So this is how inverse matrix work. Okay, this is this is the method which I can explain to you. Well, actually I still have Gauss Jordan and Jacobi iteration. Method. So I still have two methods. This I ask you to learn by yourself. You can find any source in internet. By finding source in internet. So you look for this method by yourself. Okay, and we will have exam tomorrow, so prepare yourself. And this method also we will discuss in the exam.